2 weeks after his right L2-3 nerve root decompression. And he had initially numbness in his right leg and weakness in his right leg, and he could hardly walk. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing okay.
Yeah? Are you walking normally now?
Yes, I'm walking.
And how far can you walk now?
I can walk now 1 mile.
1 mile. Were you able to walk at all before the operation? Yeah, you were not. I remember you were here and you could not even move.
Yes.
All right, sir.
That's right, yeah.
Can you walk a few steps and show us how you are? Very good, sir. And you just turn around for me. Right. Okay. And walk towards the mirror, please. Excellent. That's great, sir. Thank you very much. You can turn back to us. Okay.
Yes.